channel. My name's Megan, if you don't know me already, and I have a really exciting video for you today. I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup all inspired by Zodiac sign Gemini. Can you believe that we're actually in Gemini already? Crazy, everything's going so fast. So this is not a super original idea. I have actually seen a few other people do this kind of video, so we'll link them down below. And let's get into the video. So I don't actually know much about Gemini or even about zodiac signs, to be honest. After doing a little bit of research, I think I know a little bit more. So I believe Gemini's, the symbol is twins and the element is air. Their lucky colours are yellow and light green. The lucky day is Wednesday. Lucky numbers 5. Some people say that Geminis are two-faced. I don't think they're two-faced. You just have two personalities. You don't know which personality you're going to get on that single day. I believe some qualities of a Gemini. They're witty, brilliant, knowledgeable, popular, versatile, happy, talkative, youthful, sharp. Oh, I'm thinking like a sharp kind of yellow and green kind of look with like maybe a yellow in a corner or something crazy. So for this video I'm going to be using some charts that random people have made. So when you Google image zodiac signs, there's different charts. So there's like hairstyle charts, makeup charts, eyeshadow charts, etc, etc. So the first thing I've done, I've actually done my hair off camera. I found this chart online that looks like a pull through braid, so that's what I've done. And then I found this other chart that had a low bun, so I've just done a low bun as well. Like, it's super messy. Like, it's not the best pull through braid I've ever done, but I haven't done one for like years. I feel like it was a big thing like a few years ago where everybody was doing them. So yep, I've not done it for years, but I thought I'd combine them both because I thought I'd only be playing with my hair anyway whilst I'm doing my eyeshadow. But I'm going to be starting this off with lip balm. So literally just googled what lip balms Gemini should use and this one came up. As you can see, Gemini EOS lip balm is vanilla. I hope it's vanilla anyway because I've got vanilla. So I'm just going to put that on. And I have already done my base makeup. So I've done my primer, foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour and blusher, and I've used two face products just to tie everything together. So I think that's enough talking. Let's get into some eye makeup. I am going to put some tape on to try and get like a nice sharp look. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start out with the shade Lemonade from the Roxaris Revolution palette. This is the Colour Burst palette and I'm just going to run this through my crease, take it quite high up, and then I'm using the JS5 for this. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Dinosaur from the same palette and I'm just going to run that through my crease. I think I'm going to use the same brush for now. I may change brush. And I'm just going to put that just a little bit lower. Just kind of winging it, I don't really know what I'm doing. Now I'm going back in with that yellow just to blend everything through. Back in with the green. It's very different from what I normally go for, but I'm just going to try and trust the process. So I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Flying Saucer right here. I just think it needs deepening just a little bit more. And that's from the Jeffree Star Alien palette. So now I'm just going to go back in with that shade Dinosaur and just try and blend it out a little bit. Gosh, I hope this sellotape is even. They're not really going to represent twins if they're not even. Fingers crossed. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer to do like a sort of half cut crease. I'm going to put this alien shade all over my lid, and I'm going to use a JS10 to do that. It's such a pretty colour. It's like without even wetting my brush. So now I'm going to go into the Conspiracy palette, and I'm going to take this shade Food Videos, and I'm just going to whack it in the inner corner. Somewhat crazy, somewhat Gemini, hopefully. Let's go for it. You know what, I'm thinking I might put a little bit of that Food Videos in this like yellow bit up here and just try and brighten it just a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with the Mini Tasty Avocado palette. This is from I Heart Revolution. I'm going to take this shade right here and sort of line my waterline with it. It's like really dark. So now I'm just going to go in with the shade Dinosaur that I put in my crease, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with that shade Flying Saucer, and I'm going to do the exact same thing but focus it more on the outer corner. So now I'm just going to go off camera, put some mascara and some eyeliner on, and then I'll be right back. So I put my eyelashes on, my eyeliner, fixed up a few different things, and this is what the finished eye look looks like. I never wear green, I never wear yellow, but I actually kind of love it. I actually wasn't sure at one point whether I was going to like it, but I do actually like it, and I definitely think I'm going to go into with that alien palette a lot more. Because this is super crazy, I just have this super crazy idea to do kind of like green highlighter. Now I know Jeffree Star does green highlighters but don't have any of his, so I'm wondering if this shade Botanical will work as a highlighter. I feel like we should just go for it. I don't think it's like super duper pigmented. If not, I have got another idea. I don't feel like this is showing up. So I don't think that's working how I want it to work. It's not really my kind of vision, so even though I don't really know what I'm envisioning right now, but I'm gonna go with this shade Conspiracy right here from the Conspiracy palette, and I'm gonna try and use that as like a bit of a highlighter. Just going in with Ranch over the top. Okay, so I'm trying to make it work. So that's what the shade Conspiracy looks like on its own. And then I'm just going in with Ranch over the top from the same palette. Wow, I did not do a very good job highlighting them. Kind of don't mind it. I think it looks okay. So finally I'm going to finish off with lips, and this is the chart that I've picked. So as you can see, it's like this pinky shade. Now I was really stuck as to which pink to use, but I've kind of got it down to this Maybelline one that I've had for ages and I haven't used in so long, but I used to use this shade so much. This is in the shade 157 More to Adore. It's perhaps not the shade that I'd pick to go with this look, but I'm not picking, Gemini's picking. So this is the finished look inspired by Gemini. and I actually kind of really love it. This is the fun thing about doing makeup inspired by something else. You discover things that you actually love and you get out of your comfort zone. So because I'm so happy with the way that this has actually turned out, I'm definitely going to turn this into a series, and I believe the next one's Cancer. So I'm excited to do more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Geminis, comment down below. Did I do a good job? Did I do a bad job? Hopefully not. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!